Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to wrap text inside a shape in Microsoft Publisher. So let's started. At first open your Publisher document. In this video I will show wrap text inside a shape. Now going to the insert menu option, then click. Now select from shape option. Now select from any shape. Now choose from rectangle shape. Now draw a rectangle shape. Now you can see, then we show the shape fill option. Now we'll choose color, then click from shape. Now click from mouse right button option. Now select from add text. Now type your text. Now select from text. Now go into the home menu option, then change from font size and change the font color. Now you can see wrap text inside shape. Then again, now going to the insert menu option, then click. Now select from picture option. Now find a picture. Now select from any picture. Now you can see, now resize your picture. Now move the picture. Now we going to the format menu option, then click from wrap text option. That's it. Now you can see wrap text inside a shape in publisher document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.